we've got 2 chickies, 4.2 grams, just hatched. Can you see the little white thing on the tip of his beak? That's his egg tooth. It's just drying out, so he must have hatched in the last hour. And then there were 3. Here's little Skeeter's egg. Skeeter hatched overnight. A handful of chicks. You can hear him chipping away madly and pipping. You should be able to see the line on the egg where the egg's cracked. This little one's going to be a fallow chick. She's going to be a pale grey, very pretty. Then there were 4. Look, chick 5 is hatching. Shaky little tushy. There we are. See the umbilical attachment that goes to the egg, the little string. There's a string to the egg. So this is chick 5, just after hatching, still wet. We'll see in about an hour and we'll see that he'll have a fat full little crop.